The child tax credit update for October the 15th, and things are getting fixed. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, or if this is your first time at our channel, welcome to the channel. My name is Travis Sickle. So there is an update to the advanced child tax credit and the payments. I know there's been a big debacle on it, but before we get into it, if you have questions, check in the description at the bottom and email me your information, and I will walk through some of those who email me in a future video to work out some of these issues, but some of them have been fixed. So let's go to the most updated IRS notice. And today is October the 15th, and it's starting the October payments. So if you're getting a direct deposit, you're likely going to see it today or over the weekend. Now, if you're getting a paper check, that could occur all the way to the end of the month. So the IRS is sending those out. And the payments are going to be automatic. Of course, if you're not getting these payments, you want to make sure that you're registered for the portal or filing your taxes, because it's based on 2019 and in 2020. And for those families that didn't get the the July, August, or September payments and are getting their first monthly payments this month, will start to receive their total advance payments for the year. This means that the total payments will be spread over the 3 months rather than 6, making each monthly payment larger. So what this means is they're taking that amount and dividing it by the amount of months that we have left in the year, because the advance payments are only for 2021. They're not going to carry into 2022. So if you didn't get those first 3 months, let's say that was $300 a piece, then for the next 3 months, you're going to get $300 additional dollars because you're already going to get the $300. Now, if there was an issue, and there were some issues in September, those are already fixed, supposedly. So if you haven't gotten that fixed yet, let me know in the comments down below. I'm sure somebody hasn't gotten it fixed. There's always one or two. And the impacted group primarily includes taxpayers who recently made an update. So I said this on a previous video. If you made an update to your information so far, you can only make it to basically your address and your banking information. Made an update to their bank account or address information using the IRS Child Tax Credit Update portal. In particular, the issue affected payments to married taxpayers filing jointly, where only one spouse made a bank account or address change, which usually resulted in the payments being split into 2. In some cases, and this is the really important part, in some cases, the split caused the delay in making payments and further caused individuals to receive slightly more than the correct payment in September. So this is why those payments were more in September, and you might have gotten one check at one level, then it was decreased, and then it was increased. So it's really hard to figure this stuff out sometimes. But to address this, the payments that each spouse receives in October, November, and December will be reduced slightly to adjust for the overpayment. For each taxpayer receiving a payment, the typical overpayment was $31.25 per child between the ages of 6 and 17 years old, and $37.50 per child under the age of 6. This will result in about a $10 to $13 reduction per child in the 3 remaining monthly payments. So there's the answer. I don't know. I haven't seen an actual numbers on somebody who got messed up and then looked at their income to work out the actual math. But I don't know if I would have been able to figure that out without knowing that particular part of the information, because you would expect it to work out. If you're married filing jointly below $150,000, you're expecting it to either be some form of $250 or $300, depending on how many kids you have, and obviously depending on their ages. So luckily, that is fixed. It's acknowledged by the IRS, and they gave us some more clarity on the math behind it. So hopefully that's not going to affect anybody. But definitely let me know in the comments down below if it was fixed for you, and also if it is not fixed. And if it is not fixed, again, description, email me, and let me know. And if you can't find my email, go to our company's website, my company's website, or just let me know in the comments down below, and I'll tell you what my email is. So go ahead and do that. Hopefully I don't get 1,000 emails. Sometimes, you never know. Hopefully I don't. But go ahead and email me. Keep it clear, keep it concise, stick to the numbers so I can do the math, and I'll work it out on a future video. Of course, I'm not going to say who it's from. So you'll remain anonymous. I'll just do the numbers on a future video. So let me know if you have any other questions on the advanced child tax credit. That's the update for October the 15th. Payments start today. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave your comments down at the bottom.